أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will make 3D window. And we will start our 3D window. In our previous lesson we learned how to make 3D door. Today we will learn how to make 3D window so that we can insert in our house like this. For this purpose we need to take one rectangle. I'll change it into the top view. From here to 2D wireframe. Take one rectangle, make one separate layer for 3D window, and take a rectangle. Our window size in the house is 3 feet by 4 feet. So I'll make window 3 feet by 4 feet. You can make the window as per the requirement, as per drawing specifications. Now we'll make window frame first. Enter 2 inch, enter thickness of frame. Now we'll divide this window as per the design or as per required as in the drawings. Now because we are not following any specific design, so I'll give it I will divide it only into portions. This is center line. We'll take the offset 1 inch on both sides. I'll remove this reference line. I'll trim additional line to make it one frame. I'll join these all lines. I'll rotate it into 3D isometric view. Apply press pull command and raise this 6 inch as per the thickness of wall. Now our frame is ready. You can see it in the realistic view. Now we need to make inside panels, window panels. I'll go to the 2D wireframe. I will hide this frame. I'll delete this reference line. I don't need this one. This for frame, I'll take one offset 2 inch, go inside, 2 inch, go inside. Now we can again apply press pull command. Because now here it's not selecting anything, so I will apply extrude command here and here also. I'll give it height 2 inch as the thickness of panel. Now see, our panels are ready, but one thing here, the panel is solid. We need because windows are usually used for lighting and to bring light inside, to make the room more clear, to make it without any artificial light, to bring the fresh air inside, to bring natural light inside. So we will use glass inside the window panels. For this purpose I will deduct the inside portion, so the only panel frame will be visible here. For this purpose I will apply a subtract command, su enter, select outer boundary, right click, and then go to select inner boundary. If it is not visible for you, you can change it into the wireframe. select outer boundary, right click, then select inner boundary and then right click. Now it's already detected. I'll make one more rectangle here, and now I will hide. What I'll do, I will go to 2D wireframe and I will move this instead of here to center. This will be as a glass. I will apply again extrude command and I'll give it 0.1 inch. It's okay because glass have not more thickness. Now I will copy this glass from same point and I will put it here inside center point. Now I will unhide all hidden objects. I'll take it into the realistic view and see our window is ready now. Now what I'll do, I'll rotate it. Just I will move it little. I'll apply 3D rotate command. Select the object and rotate it. Here our 3D window is ready. Just we will make this panel in gloss. For this purpose I will go to render command. Here is material browser. Go to material browser. Here we have many items: you floor, glass, liquid, masonry. So we need glass this time. I'll go to glazing. Here blue glazing, blue reflective, blue green, clear. I need clear glazing. Clear reflective, it can be whatever you need. This time I will apply clear glazing. Just left click, pick the material and drop on the portion. Click material, pick it, drop on the portion. For this wood we will apply specific material which is here. This is wood. All whatever the wood we need, we can apply the same wood there. I'll just apply any material now because we don't have any specific wood there. So I will apply red, this red wood or teak wood I will apply. So you can see the change. Here I will apply teak wood and here I will apply teak wood. Now our window is ready here. 3D window. I'll close now material browser and I'll show you the reality, what happened actually. I'll make one line here behind. See, it's visible from the glass. I'll render it, not full rendering but render the region because we don't have more things here to render to show the real material. Now see, our glass, our window and everything is ready now. How much good material you will apply as per the specifications, it will be more visible. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the video. Now we'll take these all windows and doors and we will insert in our house here.